Hey everyone, thanks for stopping in. I greatly appreciate it. I have another Stitch Fix. I think this is, I never remember the number, 96. A lot of boxes, lots of boxes. In the box you get a return mailer, USPS return mailer, to send back anything you don't love. You do get an invoice. I just want to make sure I still have the same stylist. Yes, I do. I won't look at pricing until I try on this way. You know, my opinion is not altered by price. I have right here 4 items. You get a good look right here. And it looks like I have some shoes. Let's get rid of that. I'm glad tomorrow's recycle day and get rid of all these boxes. So let's do the shoes. I'm curious. I don't remember. Did I like shoes? Oh, yeah, I did like these. So these are the Me Too shoes. Adria Sustainable Mesh Flat Sandal, black size 6. I did see them and thought these would be really cute for, you know, and the back here is leather. Well, it could be leather-like. Zip, which you don't, you know, I mean, it's functional, but you don't have to use it. Elasticize. I thought for the summer, for spring, you could probably wear them into the fall. But they would be really nice with really anything. Oh, they're cute. I did like them, as a matter of fact. So here's him right here. So we'll give them a try. Let's just leave these off to the side. I'm curious. Nice padded footbed. They're really cute. I don't know if I'm going to like them on my feet, but we'll see. And then let's just tear into the package and see what we have. So let's see what's in the package here, clothes-wise. I did ask for less wintry stuff to start transitioning. I don't need any more sweaters, cardigans, all that stuff. So hopefully she listened so far. Maybe she has. So this is from Geely, and this is a pointel elbow sleeve top, dark gray, large, which is fine. Because I did tell her, you know, if things look small to, you know, go up a size, I'm fine with that. So it has a nice, like, scalloped edge there. Plain tee with the same detail at the very bottom. Right here. That's kind of cute. I like that. I don't know how that will be, but you gotta try it on. You'll never know till you do. Put that there. This was an item that I did see on my preview, which you do get, and thought send it because it's lightweight. Letty and Me textured button front cardigan, olive medium. I don't think I have like a plain green like this. Pretty. I like it a lot. And these you can wear with, you know, put a bralette or a tank or something underneath and just wear them as is. This one's really nice. I do like that. So hopefully it's good. And next we have another t-shirt. And this is from Bo Boo. Crew neck tee, teal green medium. So, you know, just your basic tee, short sleeve. This one does have slits on the side. That's really cute. I love, well, any, like, I like a lot of colors. Just maybe not so much reds. Like greens and blues and pink, purple, and get fuzz all over the place. And then there was a pair of jeans that I thought were, like, decent, and I had her send them. And these are from Indigo 6, classic mid-rise straight leg, right here. These are size 8, right here. And these have the raw hem, which I don't always love, but I don't dislike it either. So sometimes that's perfect. Nice pockets, let me see. Yeah, nice pretty full length pocket. I like the wash, especially for the spring. I'm not real big into the jeans in summer, but I mean, I don't wear them in the summer. I am a shorts girly, and we'll have shorts on from the minute it warms up till the minute it cools down again. But these don't seem real heavy. Sometimes denim is too hot, and I won't wear it at all. Well, you know, jeans, I won't wear it. So that's that. Probably will try on much later in the day. It's only about 11:30 today. Don't have too much time right now, but I figured I could do the unboxing part and get started. So for you, I'll be back in just a second and we'll get the try on going. So I have two of the items on. I have the Me Too shoes. They're black, size 6. They're $69.95. These are a little expensive, so these are the shoes right here. Show it to you. And this is like espadrille-ish in the front. This feels the same, you know, a leather zip back, which is easier to get your foot in if you unzip it. And then like a rubberized sole, but these are like not very bendable. So I've had the one shoe on for like the last 10 minutes. I just wanted to see, you know, what it felt like just walking around on carpet. And it's comfortable, but it really is not moving with my foot. So let me just show them to you. Let's pull up the jeans a little bit. Right here. I mean, they are cute. I'm not saying they're not, but for $70, I just don't think they're for me, because I don't know how much I would wear them, since they don't really give too much with your foot when you're walking, and I think that might fatigue your feet. I don't feel anything rubbing anywhere. They're nice. They're just not quite for me. Then I have the jeans on, and these are Indigo 6, classic mid-rise, stretchy, straight, and they're a cut hem, so there's no, like, you know, just a scissor cut hem. These are a size 8, $48, not a bad price. Fit is good on these. I mean, they're snug, but I like my bottoms a little closer to my body. Tops is slightly looser, like this is, you know, a little room. I like these. They're really nice. You can see, you know, length is perfect, and, you know, hold you up good and hold your butt in if that's what you like. And next I'm going to try the cardigan on and see what I think about the cardigan. Okay, I love the cardigan. This is from Letty and Me, textured button from cardigan, olive. I don't necessarily know if this is, it's a light olive. If olive is usually darker for me, this is a light olive, medium, $49. It's a little bit pricey, but I love it. I think for this, now we're coming into the spring, I don't necessarily need the heavy cardigans, but a cardigan, like with, I don't wear tanks, but if I did, I would put a cardigan on. Even with a short sleeve t-shirt, the short sleeve shirt I have on today, I think this is good. Here's the back. I think the sleeve length is perfect. I like the pointelle work on it. It's comfy. It's not freezing today. I don't know what our temperatures are today, but I could get away with just wearing this. I have a jacket on, a fleece jacket on. Pretty much, it's just a lighter green with black. I have a black top and black joggers on. So I would put something like this on with all black just to pop some color. I do have, I think I have olive sneakers, so I would like put a green sneaker on, or black if I was going out. I'm going to just right from the get-go, I don't think I'm going to keep those, but I do like this. I also wanted to share with you the lip I have on. I meant to do that in the very beginning of this part. And this is from Natasha Denona. We got the lip liner in Berry Pop and the lipstick in Berry Pop, and I have it on today. So here's the shade. And I have it on. It's more on the red side of Berry than Berry, which is fine for me. But I tried it with the liner today. I think I had this on the other day. I don't think I filmed the other day, and I just had the lipstick on, and it was fine. But I think when it's a little bit more red, I put the liner on. It just keeps it where it's supposed to be. So I didn't want to forget to share that. Now, these last two tops I am not trying on because I do not like the material whatsoever. So this one here, you can see all stretch. I can see through it. I mean, I can see my lights. I can see the camera. Would never keep this. I'm not going to try it on. This is just going to be clingy, and I don't like that and will not wear it. And this is the same way. the gray one. I like the gray one more than that one. I don't think I would like these longer sleeves. These are like elbow sleeves. Not a fan, but once again, like that stretchy material that I'm not a fan of. So if this is something you would like, that's fine. I don't like them. So I normally am a good sport about trying everything on, but there's nothing about them that I like material-wise, so I just can't do it. So I have the jeans, which are okay. I'm not always a fan of light wash. I prefer medium, dark wash, black, gray. So I have to think about them. These two tops, no. I like these. They're cute. So on this side of the shoe, I can see my arch is high. So it's really not touching the base of the shoe. And I don't know if that, so am I really getting full support of my foot? They are cute. They're comfy. But like I said, this does not really give. And if you're walking too much, like if you were just wearing these out to dinner, to lunch, to whatever, a baby shower, bridal shower, things like that, I think they would be fine. But to walk around in these, I would be like, no. Really cute. Love the detail of the zip, but also $70, that would be a no, I think. So I don't have to come back with final thoughts because I just basically told you, I definitely love the cardigan. That's why, I'll leave that on. So let me give you some numbers. The box subtotal is $245.95. I have a buy 5 discount of 25%. I would save $61.49. So yeah, these shoes would be practically free. I don't love them. If I loved them, then I would consider it. So my box is with I have a $20 style credit, $164.46, which is not bad for shoes, denim, a cardigan, and 2 tops. Really, when you average all that out. But I'm not loving this box. Like the shoes I did like these. I think just in general when they do like the style quiz, I thought these were cute. I would consider them if they had a little bit more bend in the sole. I think they would be a lot more comfortable and easy to walk in, but they are adorable. And then these 2 tops are a big no. I don't like that kind of material. The jeans I'll consider. I'll try them on again and see what I think. Like I said, I'm not. And after probably May, I won't wear jeans. So that would be the last pair that I would keep out of any boxes because then it's going to be shorts right up until it's cold again. I live in denim shorts all spring, as soon as it warms up, till the fall, until it gets cold. All the way through. Denim, denim, denim shorts. So, it's not bad for the price. Sarah Beth is still my stylist. I mean, it's still a great box. I like the shirts. I love the gray, this like teal green, I think she said. I'm not really sure what she said that color was. Teal green. It is like a bluey green. I love the dark gray. I love gray with denim, blue denim. But I just don't like the longer sleeve. I'm short enough. Let's chop off half my arm and make, I like a shorter sleeve. Like, I don't mind a cap sleeve and a true short sleeve for the summer. These 3/4, it would annoy me. And if I had to put a cardigan on, then it bulks it up here instead of laying nice. So I'm just going to say no to 3 things for sure. The jeans I'll think about, and this is a definite. I love, this past year or so, I've been loving cardigans. I had this one on earlier today, my orange one, orangey red. It just got a little too warm. I had the oven on, I was cooking and stuff like that. So I took that off and put it away. And just put a fleece on because I also didn't want to get food all over that. I was, getting dinner together and stuff like that. So let me know your thoughts. A little disappointed just because of the tops. I didn't choose these. I think I let the jeans come and maybe the cardigan. I'm not sure if that was in the preview. I think I only picked 2 items. I definitely don't like anything like that top-wise. I'm more cotton-ish for the summer. I know they say cotton is not great, to keep you, but it's to keep you warm. I'm not outside. I prefer more on the cotton side. It can be a cotton blend, but I prefer more cotton than all this other material in my t-shirts. So that's my Stitch Fix. I think, what did I say, 96? Because they don't tell you anymore. They used to tell you. Like I said, overall, not a bad box. I just don't care for 2. I don't care for 2 at all. I do like. But, like I said, and then the jeans I'll think about, and the cardigan is a definite. Let me know your thoughts. I appreciate all you watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you all on the next one. Bye for now.